I'm Lynelle Loke, and I will be helping present the Medicaid Planning Workshop from noon to 5 p.m. on Wednesday, August 9th, 2023 at the Texas NAELA Annual Conference at the Moody Gardens Resort in sunny Galveston. This Medicaid Planning Workshop will be an alternative track offered at the same time that your Texas NAELA colleagues are attending the regular programming of the Texas NAELA Annual Conference. The workshop will simulate the experience of assisting a couple, one of whom needs Medicaid nursing home benefits throughout their entire Medicaid journey, from their initial meeting with you, the elder law attorney, through an appeal of the denial of benefits. The workshop will be hands-on, interactive, and presented by Medicaid planning experts. This workshop is intended for attorneys who are new to Medicaid planning and hesitant to take on Medicaid clients due to lack of experience. Maybe you've been to conferences and read CLE articles and books, but actually having to interact with Texas Health and Human Services is a mystery. Well, your materials will include all the actual letters that HHSC uses to communicate with Medicaid applicants. Or maybe you're a solo and you've never had the blessing of working alongside an experienced elder law attorney to see for yourself what the Medicaid journey actually looks like. Well, your presenters at this workshop are those mentors. Your materials will contain everything that you need to help your Medicaid clients. As you can see, this workshop is truly helpful for new Medicaid planning attorneys. And as in prior years, when you register for the UT Annual Estate Planning, Guardianship, and Elder Law Conference that will be held on the following 2 days on August 10th and 11th, your attendance at this workshop is free. Registration for this workshop is limited to the first 24 Texas NAELA members who sign up. So go to utcle.org and register today. Be sure to choose the in-person only concurrent track for the Medicaid Planning Workshop. You don't want to miss these 3 days in Galveston this summer. The Texas Elder Law Bar is welcoming and supportive. The entire vibe at this conference encourages the success of our colleagues. I hope to see you there.